Hyperlearning. How to Adapt to the Speed of Change. By Edward Hess. Continuous learning. To continue learning, take control of yourself and commit to discipline and training. Start by letting go of titles, positions, and the need to boast, and always be curious and eager to learn from everything that happens around you. Practicing mindfulness benefits deep learning. Mindfulness is essential for calming your scattered mind and regaining focus. It helps you learn more efficiently and has benefits in other aspects of life as well. To practice mindfulness, focus on your breath and redirect your thoughts when they wander. Training your mind and calming it through mindfulness prepares you to improve your thinking process and comprehension, which is the other aspect of the learning process. Most people have two mindsets. Fixed mindset. Believing that intelligence is not malleable. Growth mindset. Believing in the ability to develop intelligence and improve behavior, leading to progress in life. This is the mindset of learners. Organizational behavior and change management. Self-confidence alone is not enough to progress. You must also change your behaviors to serve this goal. This means working on improving and developing even the smallest details, such as your style, vocabulary, and perceptions. Start by reflecting on the behaviors of highly effective learners, which include good interpersonal skills, being open to learning, embracing ambiguity, and seeking discovery and learning. To apply these steps as part of changing your behavior, you need to be as precise as possible. For example, if you want to develop collaboration skills, ask yourself what someone who excels at working with others does. They might be a good listener, so you should learn more about active listening. You'll find that active listening involves not interrupting others, paying attention to them, and asking questions to ensure understanding. Organizational development and change management. If you are a business owner and do not wish to keep up with change, you will fail. Consider what happened to Blockbuster and Kodak. Those who cling to old methods do not progress, while innovators thrive. Traditional work environments suffer from competition, fear, and hierarchical leadership. None of these is an effective way to keep up with the evolving world. They do not foster innovation and learning, but rather resist renewal and squander potential growth opportunities. Therefore, you need to look at your work from a new perspective, starting with the following 4 principles. Equity and merit. This is what Google does, and it is one of the key reasons for its success. The company embraces the best ideas regardless of their source. Be positive. Research conducted by Barbara Fredrickson and Alice Isson has shown that positive emotions enhance our mental abilities. This means that your performance and your team's performance improve when you focus on the positive side, and they decline when you fixate on fears and negatives. Foster psychological safety. Create a culture within the organization where employees are not afraid to express their opinions and ideas. They should not fear unjust dismissal, missed promotions, or rejection due to any idea or direction. This psychological safety gives them the courage for renewal and innovation. Support initiative. This means helping people learn initiative, face challenges with confidence, and develop skills. Make people feel that they have control over their work, productivity, and happiness. This will lead to higher levels of productivity, happiness, and engagement in work beyond expectations. For more information, you can check out summaries of our books on our channel. Thank you for your valuable time.